you're going to make your kids tough, which they better be if they're going to survive in the world, you can't interfere when they're doing dangerous things carefully.
Think about it that specifically. Dangerous things carefully.
Well, ngayon pag-uusapan natin ang parenting ng mga new generations parent ngayon. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Let's do this.
This is Pinoy Extreme.
That's such a place where kids learn.
That is the only place they learn. That's where everyone learns everything. When you're doing dangerous things carefully, man, that's where you learn. And so you interfere with that. You interfere.
Marami sa mga magulang yung hindi nila hinahayaang magkamali or maka-experience ng hirap yung mga bata. Most of them think na yung paghihirap at pagkakamali na may experience dapat ng mga bata is something bad or unproductive, which is the opposite. Because we always learn from our mistakes, or at least dapat tayong bigyan ng isang perspective na dapat tayong matuto doon sa pagkakamali na mai-experience natin. Mistakes should not break us down, but it should teach us to deal and learn with those mistakes. When we interfere doon sa normal process of gaining mistakes, then we interfere with their learning. And most probably, pagtanda nila, they will not be able to process trauma too. Now, yung pag-process kasi sa trauma, most of us remembers the emotions, remembers the feelings, but not the lesson behind it. And there's a reason why hindi natin basta-basta nakakalimutan yung trauma, but ang mali natin, ang madalas nating kinukuha doon sa trauma, yung emotions during that trauma. But we forget to extract the lesson na pwede nating gamitin para hindi na tayo mapunta doon sa same predicament or same situation na kinalagyan natin before. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.